This is the V630J campervan from Pilote, 636 centimeters in length. It costs 61,290 euros. Fiat Ducato base. It's rather typical of most camper vans of this nature, you'll see. And at the back, what it distinguishes itself is by having a German layout. Around here, steps up to the bed, rather large shower unit, but it's got one of these toilets that sort of go under, in and out, and unfortunately this one here is broken. Here we have a sink. Well, I appreciate space is short and there's not much place for a bowl, but a bowl I think is always nice to have. Here in the kitchen we've got two burners and a sink as well. We've got storage under there. Fridge is here, and under the fridge there is a wardrobe. Let's go to the back and have a look at that. You can see here as you come out, extension for the kitchen. At the back you can see how the bed works, and one of the features here is that this part of the bed will lift up, and that could create a huge amount of space if necessary underneath. You can also see how much space there is for carrying stuff. This here is the gas cupboard, and additional storage is there. On the back, this one here has come with a bike rack. So it looks like all the other camper vans you'll see around, and that was the V630J X Edition from Pilote in well and truly under 3 minutes. If you appreciate getting a quick look at a van like that in under 3 minutes, do say so. I've done this one in far more detail in another video. Thanks for watching.